All units, prepare for furnace intake. We are running at capacity on line 3. Over.
Crucible secured. Moving to station 4.
Copy that. Proceeding with cast sequence.
Trimming station, we're clear on the next batch. Send it through. Copy that. Moving pallets now. Moving pallets now. The ramp rate looks good. We should hit the target in 5 minutes.
Keep a close eye on the pressure differential too.
The pressure casting line operates at peak efficiency, utilizing synchronized robotics for precision placement. All systems are currently nominal.
Check the tolerances on the final cavity.
Surface finish looks good, ready for transfer.
Alignment check complete on station 3.
Confirmed. Proceeding with injection sequence.
Attention all personnel. Line 4 is exceeding targets. Ensure all safety protocols are followed during the next transition.
Check the alignment on feeder 7. I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
Cycle time is consistent at 45 seconds.
Good. Frequency stability looks optimal for the aperture size. Check alignment on board 12. Looks good from here. Proceed to reflow. System status nominal. Temperature 22.5 degrees Celsius. Humidity 40%.
The volume looks precise on this one.
Confirmed. No bridging detected.
Our multi-nozzle head precisely selects components in a sterile cleanroom environment, achieving unprecedented placement accuracy.
Throughput is stable at 99.99%.
Acknowledged.
The cavitation is stable at 40 kHz. Rinsing cycle initiated. Conductivity is normalizing. Drying complete, ready for transport. The reflow oven utilizes precise temperature gradients across multiple heating zones. This ensures the solder paste melts and creates a perfect joint.
Pressure is holding steady. Keep monitoring the feed rate.
Our advanced phosphor technology converts blue light into a perfect, warm white spectrum, ensuring unparalleled quality.
All green here on the main console. Okay, I'll sign off on that. Have a good night.
Check the alignment on Station 3.
Looks good from here, proceeding with the next batch.
Thermal paste viscosity steady. All systems indicate normal operation. The thermal gradient is exceeding tolerance levels on the central array. Initiate cooling sequence immediately. Quality control reports a 0.05% anomaly rate. Rerouting batch to secondary inspection.
The suction grippers align automatically before securing the box for transfer.
We need to reroute the next sequence on aisle 4. The AGV is showing a low battery warning. Okay, I'll update the manifest now.
Cycle 45B is completing now.
Looks good. No errors on the seal application.
The diagnostics report checks out.
Confirmed. We can authorize shipment.
The tension looks good on the upper right side.
Yes, the elasticity is perfect. We can increase the speed now.
Dock 3, clear the aisle. We have an inbound AGV.
Straps are loose. Bring the jack in. All right, give me some help. This one's heavy.